guys, and welcome to my first YouTube video. I have had a ton of requests to do a makeup tutorial, so if you're interested in learning how I did this look, keep watching. So, what I always begin with is my NARS primer. This is the only one that I found really works for my skin and keeps me not looking oily throughout the day. And I just pat it on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my chin, and just the excess like on my cheeks. I don't use too much because I don't wear a heavy foundation. After that, you guys, I put on this NARS tinted moisturizer. This is just perfect for my skin. I've been putting it on a brush instead of a beauty blender lately, and it blends so nicely. And the shade is medium 1. I just really blend that in. If I'm doing like a heavier makeup look, where I just need some extra coverage, I'll go in with this Tarte foundation, and it has SPF in it. I still don't think that's like a heavy foundation, but that is just what I need. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I have like these shadow marks on the side of my face. I did that TikTok trend with the fake tan that it's like bronzer, and I actually really liked how it came out. I would say that I would probably go a shade lighter just because it's really dark, but I liked it. Okay, make sure you guys get your neck and your ears. Okay, now that that's done, I like to go in with concealer. What I've been using is the Tarte Creaseless. I have 2 shades right here, but this one is almost out. I've been using this forever. It is super high coverage, and I just put a dot on the inner corner and the outer corner. And then I just lightly go on my nose. I don't like to do too much. And then a dot on my chin. I don't like to put too much product on my face because on me it just looks really cakey. And then for concealer, I use a beauty blender. I don't know why I decide to use a brush and a beauty blender. I just do. And do you see just how pretty that looks? Oh my gosh, I love it. After I have blended my concealer out, I go in with this powder. And for this, I also go in with the beauty blender. I just think it helps it look less. You know when you get like the powder under your eyes and it looks just cakey? I feel like this kind of gets rid of that. So I just tap it in. I don't bake anymore like I used to. I used to just put like pounds of powder, and again, just didn't really work for me. And I also sometimes put the powder on the bridge of my nose and my forehead just because I tend to get more oily in those places, even if I didn't put a ton of concealer. And I always go right there. After that, we're just gonna let this sit for a second, and we're going to move on to the eyes. And I'm going in with the Tarte in Bloom palette, and I'm gonna be using Jet Setter and Rebel, which is just a light brown color. I would show you, but my palette is a mess. And I am just gonna look in this mirror next to me because it's one of those like zoom in mirrors. And I'm just gonna put this color all over my crease. Again, I don't like to do too much on my eye. So next I'm going to go in with this Activist shade and just put it on the outer corner of my eye and kind of just fluff it out. And then blend with the rest of the color. So after the eye makeup's done, I like to curl my lashes and put eyelashes on. My dog chewed my eyelash curlers, just don't even talk about it. Okay. Now that that's done, I like to put on my lashes. These lashes are from Amazon. They are super cheap. I think I got a box of 5 for $10. I don't know. If you guys like them, I will put a link in my bio. Just comment if you want a link. Alrighty. And the glue I'm using is just the Duo glue. What I've been doing with the glue is putting a little bit on the lash line, and it helps the lash go on so easy and stay on all day.
It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up.
Okay. Once I have my eyelashes in place, I like to go in with my fingers and kind of connect my lash with the fake one. And then I go over it with my Duo lash glue and just make sure they're secure.
But you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone.
My lashes are on. I'm going to do just a little bit of eyebrow. I don't do too much to my eyebrows either. I just brush all the hairs up, and I usually use the eyebrow pencil, but mine broke, so now I'm just taking a little bit of brown from this Tarte palette and just lightly filling in the side.
Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Pick up your line. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line.
Now that I have my eyebrows done, I'm just gonna go in with this eyebrow gel and move all the hairs up. Okay. I just wiped off all my powder, and now I'm going to be using this Hoola bronzer. And I just like to put it high up. It makes your cheekbones look more defined. And on the forehead. Again, I've already done like the fake tan bronzing, so So I don't need to do much, but just like a little bit. And just a little bit on the nose. I have the lighter shade of this, so I can go a little heavier and be okay. Okay. Now that that's done, I'm just going in with my blush. And I am a big blush fan, so I kind of go heavy. And I just put it on the tip of my nose as well as my cheeks. Okay. Now that my blush is done, I'm going in with my Morphe brush. And I'm going into the Activist and Leader shade of the Tarte palette again. And I'm just going to put it on this lower lash line right here. I always do a darker shade than the shade I put on my lid, just because I feel like my eyes look so much darker with my huge lashes, and I just need a little more dimension on the bottom. So to blend it out, I use my finger, and I just make sure that it's not too harsh. Okay. Now that that is done, I go in with my Get Real mascara and blend my lashes and do my bottom lashes. Okay. Now that my eyes are all finished, we're just gonna go in with our last step, which is the lips. I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Coco K lip liner and just lightly line around my top and bottom lip. Next, after I'm done lining the outer part of my lips, I like to make lines throughout my lips, just like this. I think it makes it look a lot more natural. And then I like to go in with my MAC Velvet Teddy and just blend that all together. And then on top of the Velvet Teddy, I like to just put a little bit of lip gloss. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this, please like, subscribe for more content, and comment down below.